Hey everyone, this video is about having the right titanium white for painting in oils. Over the years, I've tried many different brands, many different compositions, but this is the white that I use most often. That is the Daniel Smith titanium white. I'm not claiming that this is the best white in the world, but this is what it works for me because of certain factors. So the idea behind getting a new kind of white came up to my mind in 2018 when I painted this particular landscape, and gradually I saw that the sky part was becoming very brittle, and I got a little scared, and so I started finding a new white. And in 2019 I saw an interview of Virgil Elliott by Andrew Tischler, and here Virgil was talking about the detrimental qualities of the zinc oxide in titanium dioxide. And during this period I was totally aware that PW4 zinc oxide was mixed with PW6. So I knew what was happening to my paintings, but here Virgil made it a lot clear, and a lot of people reacted to that as well. And in September 2019, I got myself this particular white, and this doesn't contain any zinc, PW6 there. But while I started painting with this white, I found it very interesting because this is pure titanium white, and I always wanted a white that was very powerful. Light colors should be very powerful, be it cadmium yellow, or titanium dioxide, or maybe any other light color, yellow ochres. I want to have opaque colors to be very creamy, very powerful, very stiff. The coverage should be maximum. So I got this, and I like this white. And there are many paintings during that period that I painted in pure white, maybe slight amount of yellow ochre. And what I noticed was, I mean, this was just pure observation. This wasn't anything scientific because I don't have the means to do a scientific research. What I was noticing that this had very limited yellowing tendencies. And later, it got confirmed by a video where Nelson Ferreira compared the colored swatches that he kept them in the dark. These were the white paint that he was comparing. And Daniel Smith came out as the best white in terms of retaining its whiteness. Most of the other brands were very much, they almost look like Naples yellow. So I was very happy looking at that video, and I was already using it for more than 2 years, and I already liked this quality that Daniel Smith has produced, and this is probably the best white that I have used so far. And there are many brands that I've used, but never like this. I always wanted to have a stiff paint, and this is very stiff. You can see that it's almost like paint that has been built up, and when you scrape it up, it retains how much pigmented this is. This is something I started using out of necessity, but having a good white is very important. Even if you're not spending so much on maybe the premium grade paints, you must always have artist grade paints because there are many benefits. And this is also artist grade paint, but this serves the purpose more than what I expected. And the first thing is that it doesn't contain any zinc. The second is the paint does not yellow. And third is that the paint is absolutely stiff. So this is not a product review of any kind, but this is mostly about choosing the right kind of white that may enhance the quality of your artwork. So I hope this has been of some use to you, and you may experiment with different types of white in oil paint, and maybe you can choose the best option that is going to increase the quality of your artwork. So if you like this video, then please click the like button and also subscribe for future videos, and remember to click the bell icon. Also remember to check out my website www.kaustavandfineart.com for more paintings, and if you have any queries, then you can definitely ask me in the comments section. I thank you for your time. Take care.